It takes just 3 steps to build your custom Ayurvedic face mask kit. Step 1. Choose 3 boosters. Our boosters are concentrated blends of whole herbal powders and clays formulated for the 7 most common skin concerns. Choose 3 boosters from our menu of 7. Your 3 boosters will come blended together in one bottle with our tridoshic powder base for all skin types. Step 2. Choose your activator. Our activators are multi-purpose liquid compounds used to activate the benefits of your custom powder blend of base and boosters. Choose one from our menu of 3 using our handy pairing guide, which helps you match your boosters to the right activator for your skin. Step 3. Complete your kit. We have 3 optional a la carte add-ons to take your kit to the next level. Choose as few or as many as you'd like.